And then there's Leia.
Hi, guys. Oh, Leia. Oh, goodness. Say hi, mamas. I want to go home, mama. I want to go home, mamas. Hi, sweetheart. That is formerly Orange Collar, who is so cute. That's one of Deanna's puppies. And there's Deanna's other puppy. Sleeping. Ouch. Sweetheart. So she's like, we're at the vet, and she's like, I'm done. Going to bed now. So she just jumped in and curled up. Huh. Yes. And then, ow, ow, ow. Hi, honey. Hi, honey. Hi, puppy, 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 puppy. Hi, puppy, puppy, puppy. Leia. Hi. Pretty, pretty girl. Are you pretty, pretty girl? Leia. Gosh, they're just having at my shoes. Hi. It looks like she's starting to wear down a little bit, huh? She's like, I think I'm tired. I've had a long day. Leia. Hi, pretty girl. Okay, they're all gonna go to sleep now, I guess. Oh, maybe not. But first, I have to attack you. Oh, my phone does not want to focus. Oh, there we go.
Leia? Leia? Leia?
She's planning her attack on her brother. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, you get it. Oh, you get it. Hey, I'm not involved.